In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down and click on App Lock. Then select Settings in Privacy Password pop-up. Tap on Use a different password type and click on one of those options to select which password type you will use to unlock your apps. Then create it and repeat it. Now set up recovery email just in case and answer a security question. If you don't like it, tap on it and pick one of those, or tap on custom question and create your own. Hit confirm and remember to answer correctly below. Then use this check mark at the top right corner. Select Got it. Tap on gray sweater next to App Lock feature and tap on gray sweaters next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. So when I go back and try to access one of them, I can see that privacy password is required. To disable app lock from any of those apps, go back to the same settings, enter your password and tap on No Blue Sweaters. To disable app lock, click on blue sweater right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!